Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to backup chats on WhatsApp. So for this, let's open our WhatsApp. Now click on three dots on the top right corner and go to settings. Once you are in settings, now here you need to click on chats and now scroll down. So there we have chat backup option. Click on chat backup and now click on backup. So in this way, your chat will start backing up and then you can download the data. So if you want to add automatic backups, so for this click on this option and then click on daily if you want it, or if you want it weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup, or you can turn this off. So as we want weekly backups or monthly backups, so I will go with monthly. So now it is set. Now you don't need to do anything, it will backup monthly automatically. So I hope you found this video helpful. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.